Hi, I'm Miriam from Keto Chow, and today we're going to make keto fried chicken. It's not your KFC, it's keto fried chicken. We actually got this recipe from Carl Franklin from Two Keto Dudes, and he's going to be featuring it at Keto Fest this year, which is in July. So if you want to check out Keto Fest, go ahead and click down below. We have a link down there. Because breading is so hard to do, we actually really like the Keto Chow chicken savory soup to use for breadings. And then what we have here is Pork and Good pork rinds, which you can use any brand of pork rinds. We just really like Pork and Good, and it's already ready for you if you buy it already crushed up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that down and pound these out, and then I'm also going to do it with tenderloins. Whoop. That was awful. Okay, so I'm going to start with the chicken breasts. I'm going to go ahead and halve those in half, and then I'm going to pound them so that they can be thinner. And then I'm going to do the tenders, but I think I'm going to pound those too because it really makes your chicken catch more breading, and the breading is yummy. So I like to push over as much as I can to one side so that I don't get a ton of egg mixed in with all of my breading. I also just wanted to know, I have never actually done like multiple egg wash steps before. I think it's because I just don't want to do anything that's super hard. So this will be the chicken in the egg wash, then in the chicken soup, Keto Chow, and then back in the egg wash, and then into the pork rinds. And I accidentally forgot to put the cheese into the pork rinds, so that's why earlier you saw 4 bowls. So I just went ahead and mixed the cheese into there. Carl Franklin says to use tongs, but if I get annoyed with not being able to have mobility, I will just go ahead and use my fingers, and that's okay. Another thing you can do, which we do with jalapeno poppers, is we just use gloves, so then you won't have your hands be as gross. So I'm having a hard time even just doing it with tongs. So I like to put it in the side, and then I use my other hand to just go like this. That may not be the right way, but that's the way I do it. That's extra yummy. And there's not seasoning in these pork rinds, because your Keto Chow has the seasoning in it. One thing that I've learned from working at like Albertsons in the deli, you do not want to get splashed with oil because it hurts. So try to get as close to the oil as you can, and don't just drop it in there. Oh, that was good. I'm using Ray's no sugar added barbecue sauce. I know that there are other barbecue sauces that are maybe better. And it's still warm. That looks so good. That is really good. So good. So yummy.